Now, two very important points which you need to remember about equal weighted index are: point number one, returns can be matched by investing equal amount in the constituent securities. So again, as a portfolio manager, if you want to create equal weighted portfolio for your client, what you can do, you can invest equal amount in the constituent securities. Let's say, for example, your client wants to invest $10,000 and you are buying 5 securities in his portfolio. So you can divide this $10,000 equally in all 5 constituent securities. So you can invest $2,000 in each of security. Now, next important point which you need to understand is rebalancing. Now, this is a major problem in equal weighted index. Let's understand why rebalancing creates a problem. So initially we have invested, let's say, 10,000 in 5 securities A, B, C, D and E. So we need to divide 10,000 equally in 5 securities. So each will have a investment value of 2,000. So each security got a weightage of 20%. These are the prices of securities, prices at the end of, let's say, 2017. Now you can easily compute how many number of shares you can buy. So if you are investing $2,000 in security A, so you can purchase 66 shares for security A, and likewise you can compute for B, C, D and E. Now let's see what happened when prices change. So these were the prices at the end of 2017. These are the prices at the end of 2018. So as you can see, as you know, prices change. So stock A was having a value of $30 and now stock A is having a value of $34. So what happens when prices change? When prices change, investment value also change. So as you can see, initially investment value was same in all 5 stocks, that is 2,000. In terms of percentage, it was 20%. But now as investment value changes, so are the weights. So as you can see, initially we have same weightage, but now weights are different. So what you need to do, you need to rebalance this portfolio. Stock A, B and D is having a value of more than 2,000 or more than 20%. So you need to sell those stocks and you need to buy stock C and stock E, because stock C and stock E has a value less than 20% or 2,000. So if I am talking in terms of dollars, so we need to sell $244 shares of stock A, $520 shares of stock B, $160 shares of stock D, and we need to buy shares of C and E to meet the shortfall. So this is termed as rebalancing. So when prices changes, index do not remain equally weighted. Frequent adjustment must be made to maintain equal weighting, and this creates high transaction cost and this will decrease the portfolio returns. So remember this point, rebalancing is major issue in equal weighted index.